Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So today's video, I'm going to be installing my first glueless lace frontal wig. Guys, if you want any information on this hair, it'll be linked down in the description, but if you're interested, stay tuned and let's begin. Okay, so let's get started. All right, so the hair got shipped to me in a box like this. So it just says Isee human hair. Now the thing is, this is actually the first time a company sent me hair in a box. I've always watched YouTube videos and I was like, why do everyone else get hair in a box and I just get hair sent in a bag? Like, I worked at Annesha Hair, Long Queen, March Queen, and all of my hairs have been sent in bags. So this is actually the first company that sent me hair in a box. Oh, and also getting hair sent in a box is really good to help keep you organized. Like, when you're not using the wig, you can just put the wig back in the box and then store it nicely in your room or closet or wherever you want to store it. You'll always know what wig it is, specifically what company it came from, because I know, like, if you don't really organize your hair, you just put it in a bag in a box, you tend to forget like what hair it was, what lengths and all that. So having it in these boxes are really cute and stuff like that. The reason why there's creases on the boxes is from me, not from the company. Anyways, let's go inside of it and look what's in here. Okay, so this is how the inside of the box looks. Comes packaged like this. So it comes with 3D mink lashes. Now, I tried these lashes on, guys, and I'm gonna be dead honest, they were way too long and big for my eyes. I cut them widthwise to fit my eyes, but like the length of them were just so long. I was like, no. They're actually nice, but they're too big for my eyes and everything like that. Like, we appreciate you sending eyelashes, but I wish it was ones that we could actually wear. And the eyelashes are actually light on the eyes. It's not heavy at all. I always give away these, or they're just sitting in my room. Now they come with the pamphlet here, and it has all their contact information at the back, emails, everything, and it just basically teaches you hair care tips for the wig and what you get if you like share their pictures on social media and everything like that. And next, the main thing, they just put the hair in a Ziploc bag here. The good thing about it is that on the bag they have the hair details, so I'm just going to tell you guys what I got. I got Mongolian hair. This is the first time I've ever tried Mongolian hair, so I'm excited. So I got 150% water wave wig. I got 22 inches. Now, I'm not a 22-inch person. I like very long lengths, but today we're going to try the 22-inch. I'm going to see how it looks. This bag is actually good with the little tag, because once you're done with the wig, like if you're done using it, you can store it in the box or in this bag here, and you'll know exactly like what company, what hair, and you can also just like write the company's name where that space is. If you don't, you can probably just peel off the sticker and put it on the box. So let's try it on and see how the wig looks without being plucked. So I'm looking right now to see if the hair has been bleached. It has not, but the lace is a little bit dark. I'm pretty sure this is Swiss lace. So it comes with 4 clips at the back, on the inside, sorry. So 3, 1 at the top, 2 at the side, 1 at the bottom here, and it comes with the lace, and then 2 adjustable straps. Now, you guys know that I'm going to do a glueless wig install because I don't commit to any wig, ever. I like taking off my wigs at night. I like changing up my hair. So we're going to put on this wig. I'm so excited for this. Pull this up too. If you guys hear children in the background, it's the neighbors. I apologize, they're just a little bit excited. It's the weekend, no school. Anyway, so right off the bat, I'm going to show you guys how the hair looks, how the hairline looks as well. So some plucking is going to be needed, and some bleaching the knots. I feel like I may have to put makeup, but I'm just going to show you guys how to install it with like no bleaching and stuff, so you guys can see how it looks. I'm obsessed. This hair pattern is so nice, guys. Automatically off the bat, yeah, it's soft. The wig fits me perfectly. So this will be good for glueless install because it just fits my head really well. Yeah, okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to wet the hair, because this is how it looks. This is how the hair looks brushed out. It's really big. I love it. So if you're someone who likes big hair, this is definitely for you. And we're going to create some baby hairs as well. Guys, listen. If you want curly hair but you don't want the dedication towards curly hair, water wave is your best bet. This is so pretty. Guys, it took me like legit 2 seconds to wet it and just comb it out. The curly hair, it takes me up to like 5 to 10 minutes to detangle the whole thing. I have to go through each, how to section out the hair, comb it out, put conditioner and mousse, and just way too much. Look at that. The brush is just going straight through it. Okay, so now we're gonna set the hair. Start off with some mousse. So this is the Vigoro Curls mousse. I'm trying to mold my hair. I should have thought about what I was gonna do first. I need baby hairs. The first row. Oh my gosh, what is tangle with water wave? Someone please tell me what a tangle is. Everything, like nothing's getting tangled at all. The hair is extremely soft. This is probably the most softest hair I've ever received. I'm just going to clip. I just want to form and set. So as you can see, my hair is getting flatter too while I'm adding the mousse. Again, this you can find this at beauty supply stores. It's super affordable, the mousse here. And then I'm just going to use the comb and I'm going to comb it back. Okay, so instead I'm going to cut it on the mannequin head because I don't think I'm that skilled to cut it on my head as yet. So I'm just going to use the scissors. I feel like the scissors is going to be easier for me to make that jagged hairline. And the reason why I'm cutting in a jagged motion is just so my hairline does not look perfect, because no one's hairline is actually that perfect. So creating a jagged hairline makes it look more realistic. Along with plucking, even though I'm not plucking this, plucking will also make it look very realistic as well. Oh, I cut too much at the side. Look. Oh my god, I didn't cut too much on this side though, because we still have our ear tab. Cut off around the ear. Okay, let's do side part. This side part. And then I'm doing my side part not straight, I'm doing it in a curve. I feel like when you do it in a curve, it looks more realistic. Oh, the parting space is so small. The ends are here, as you guys can see, so I'm just gonna put some hair behind. It's okay. So I'm gonna, I just add a lot of mousse to the top, just so we can mold it in. Okay, and then I'm just gonna use the Lotta Body Coconut and Shea Oils Wrap Me Foaming Mousse. So next, I'm going to lift this up, because I want to give it some body and make it more realistic. I'm taking off this wig cap. Okay, good. Put this back, and we're gonna take some of this out. I hope you guys can see everything that I'm doing. I'm gonna take some of this out too. Put this behind my ears. Okay, now I'm gonna use this clip here. You guys can get this at the beauty supply store. Let me use the Pump It Up Spritz Super Hold. I'm just gonna spray that on my hairline for the baby hairs. And then all over the top of my hair. And then I'm using the brush, combing that through. You guys are gonna see. I like the... Okay, so let's do the baby hairs now. Oh, I should have actually just put it on my hairline. Oh, this is ruining my makeup. Okay, so anyways, we're gonna take this off and then I'm gonna put mousse on the rest of my hair and wet it. Okay, this looks okay. I need to get better at doing baby hairs, but as time goes on, I'll get better. Okay, since I did that, I'm gonna get some makeup and put it on the lace to try and conceal it. I just have powder. I'm going back in with the Vigoro Curls. I'm just gonna put this all throughout my hair, because I want that wet look. It's the softest hair I've ever received, ever. And as you can see, there's no tangling. I'm running my hands through the hair. No tangling. This is so nice. I think I'm gonna have to start buying water waves all the time. And there's no shedding either. I haven't had shedding. I comb this hair, I cut it, everything. I definitely recommend this hair, guys. So if you guys are looking for a nice, easy water wave that's low maintenance and it's so soft, I'm gonna have to try different hair from Isee Hair, because if this hair and it's a water wave is this soft, I could only imagine their straight hair, how soft it would be. The only thing
that I'm going to do with this hair is dye it black. Okay, yeah, so this is the end. Obviously I need some more improvements my first time, guys, but I think I will improve as time goes on. I'll get better and better because I was just a little bit struggling trying to do this. But yeah, would I recommend Isee Hair? Definitely. I give it a 10 out of 10. The hair is so soft. There is no shedding at all. And it looks so good. It looks like curly hair, but it's not. Like, if you don't want the dedication to curly hair, as I told you guys, get water wave. It looks so good. For the price that you're paying, I think it is worth it. So you guys definitely, I would recommend. I feel like it's longer than the actual length. I think it said it was 22, but it looks like a 24, 26, and I'm 5'7". So there's no tangling at all, as I showed you guys. Customer service is good. Shipping is good. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys like it. Comment down below what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And all the links for this company's hair info will be in the description as well. Au revoir.